All right, I got the snow shovel here that worked for a while, but the edge fell off. All the rivets got worn out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this strip of aluminum and attach it to the edge with these carriage bolts, 1/4 inch, and we'll see how it works out. All right, so this edge is installed, and I grinded down the carriage bolts so it shovels flat. And I think it's much better using carriage bolts than rivets, because rivets eventually will just wear out and pop out. So I think it's a pretty good idea, instead of buying a whole new shovel for 40 bucks, just replacing that edge. The edge is a 1.25 inch, and that was like $5 at Lowe's, and the carriage bolts were like another $5, so 10 bucks. And it only took me about half an hour. And that's it. Hope you liked the video.